We are in the creators economic, and data has become one of the major necessity in our everyday life. Now, report shows that Nigeria alone spend millions of naira every single month on data. Due to this, people have been looking for every means possible to cut down their data spending. Now, this is where you come in, because in this video right here, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a lot of money from the data market. Now, this can be a side also for you if you are a student, if you are a stay-at-home mom, or you are looking for any means to make an extra income online. I'll be showing you all the process you need and a website you can get this very data for a very cheap price, and how you can resell it for massive profit. Now, we are in the creators economic, and people consume data every single day. Now, people spend a lot of money on data every single day, just creating and consuming content online. Now, these people right here are looking for ways to buy data at a very cheap rate so that data will not consume most of their money. So with this said, I will take you to my laptop screen right now, showing you step by step how you can make this happen and how you can make an average of 5,000 naira every single day from the data market. As you can see, make money online. Now, this is a very secret website. You can do a lot of things to make money online just with one platform, right? Now, this is the website, and this is just the interface of the website. Now, if you kindly scroll down, you can see that you can do a lot of stuff from this very platform. You can buy cheap data, very cheap data for that matter, very cheap data. And you can also pay bills on this very platform, and you can pay it at a very cheap amount of money, right? Now, this is a website that has not been discovered by many people, like millions of people have not been discovered, right? Now, there's a lot of things you can do. You can convert airtime to cash on this very platform. You can also buy your electricity bills. You can pay for cable subscription for a very little amount of money, right? Now, you can just turn all this to a side also, and you can make a lot of money from it. And not to talk about, I'll be showing you all the ways and how you can turn all this to money, like making 5k every day. I'll be showing you how you can monetize all this and how you can make money with this very simple trick. Now, this is just the interface of the platform. So we are going to dive into this platform right now, and let's start dissecting how you can actually make money from this very platform. Now, the first thing you want to do is to register an account, right? Once you come here, you can see you can just fill in all your details right here: your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and you can easily choose the state you are from, right? If you are from any state in Nigeria, you input it there and you just register an account with them. All right, I already have an account with them, so I will not go ahead to register an account. So I will come over here right now and log into my account. Now, this is my account and this is my dashboard. As you can see, I actually have 4 naira right now in my account, and these are different means of which the account is displayed, right? Now, as you can see, this is my dashboard, and on basic plan my account is active, and I'll be utilizing this platform to make a lot of money. So let's dive into the different section of this platform. Now, also remember that the mobile and the desktop interface are all the same. Either you are using your Android phone, iPhone, or you are using your desktop or your laptop. So everything is the same, and you also have access to all the features on this very platform. Now, here's the dashboard of this platform. Here is where you can have resolution center. This place right here, you can resolve any issue you have. So you don't have to worry about your money getting lost, or you recharging airtime, or you buying airtime or data and you don't see it, right? You can just come here and resolve whatever issue you have, and they are going to respond and they are going to rectify it immediately. As you can see, you can rectify and you can resolve any issue at all, from funding, buying airtime, buying data, and whatsoever issue you want to resolve. So let's go back. Now, as you can see right now, these are different platforms, and this is where you can have access to the dealer website, or which is called the retail website. In this very place, you can own your website on this very platform. Now, owning your website, that means people will also log in into your website as you are logging in into this website, and you can also even sell data in a very bulk and a very wide range. This way you make a lot of money and you make a lot of profit, and you have a lot of discounts while doing this platform. It's like you partnering with this platform and having a joint commission with them. Now you can go ahead and obtain a website from this very platform. Now the next right here is buying data. As you can see, these are this data section, and these are different plan and different network you can just have access to. We have MTN, Glo, Airtel, Nine Mobile, and all the old network are here. And the best part about this platform is that the interface is very easy to use and straightforward. Even a 5-year-old can operate this very platform. Now, if you want to get data, what you are going to do is to select your plan. As you can see, with as low as 46 naira, you can get 300 megabyte of data. With as low as 79 naira, you can get 500 megabyte of data, and with as low as 440 naira, you can get 1 gig, and you can even get 2 gig for as low as 280 naira, right? With 9 mobile, right? Now imagine how much you are going to be making selling data from this platform. Now this is MTN plan, as you can see, you can get 500 MB for as low as 140 naira, and you can even get 1 gig of data for as low as 225 naira. Now, these are data you can buy from this very platform, and this is the interface, and these are different ways you can have access to this very platform. And you can buy airtime, as you can see, airtime VTU. And one thing about this platform is that you can buy airtime and you can gain a lot of money. As you can see, you have almost 7% off or 9% off just buying airtime. Right now, this is just more than buying offline airtime. Now, with this very platform, you can make money by just selling airtime from this very platform. Now, each airtime you sell, you have a separate commission paid to your account, right? A separate commission paid to your account. Now, these are different places on this very platform. We are not going to go through all of them because of time factor, but we are going to go through the relevant ones so that you can have a deep idea of what you are going to venture into. Right here, you can even buy a cable TV subscription, educational plan, and electricity bill for just a discount price, right? And these are very cheap price compared to the normal price you buy it out there, and you can make money from this just by doing this. Now you can even help students, YX students, and Jambite to even check their results. Now these are my transaction history on this very platform. Now if you scroll down, you can see that these are all transactions: page 1, page 2, page 3, even to page 4. Right now, this is to tell you that I'm an active user of this very platform, and I've used this platform to save a lot of money and to make a lot of money. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to fund my account live on this very video right now, and I'm going to do some transaction and purchase some data right here in your presence, and you're going to see this is going to work like magic. Now this is my unique account number. So once you open an account, you are being given a unique account number you can send money to, and it can reflect immediately you credit that account, right? You'll be given a unique account number. This is my unique account number. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to go over and I'm going to send money to this account using my phone. So I'm going to head over to my device right now, and I'm going to credit this account right now, and you're going to see this right now. So guys, I'm going to go ahead right now on my OP account, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just get the data, right? So this is the number, as you can see right there. That's my account number, the account number, my unique account number. I'm going to send the money to. I'm going to just put in 500, and I'm going to just send 500 into this account, and let's confirm it right now. So as you can see, transfer successful. So we are going to head over to my laptop screen, and let's see if this money is going to reflect on my dashboard. So as you can see right now, the money just reflects on my account right now. As you can see, that's 496 naira, I'll be 499 naira, right? They usually collect 1% from their charges. That's 5 naira from 500, then 5,000 from like 50 naira. So 1% from every charges. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to buy data right now. So I'm going to head over right now, and I'm going to recharge data in one of my lines. So I'm going to buy Glow data. I'm going to set my number right here. So I'm done in setting my number. I'm going to head over to choose a plan, right? I'm going to choose let's say 1 gig right here. As you can see, 1 gig is 245 naira. So I'm going to just input the password right here. Then I'm going to purchase this airtime right now. So you just click on buy now, and that's just how you can purchase airtime. In case your clients or your client want to buy data, this is how you can do it. You find your wallet, you put their number right here, you put your password, you put the plan, and you just click on buy now, and it's going to load up. So we're going to head over to my phone right now, and let's see if you are going to receive SMS, or we are going to receive this 1 gig of data on our number right now. So guys, here's a confirmation that the SMS just landed. As you can see right here, congratulations, you have successfully acquired 1 gig of data. Right, so let's just go and check it again. So you can see right here, congratulations, you have acquired 1 gig of data, which is valid for 30 days, right? So let's just go back to our desktop screen. So as you can see, we just received our 1 gig. So I'm going to go ahead again. I'm going to get another data for myself again, and this time around I'm going to utilize the MTN medium. I'm going to get 5 megabyte for 140. Then I'm going to input my MTN number right there, then the password. I'm going to click on buy now, right? Let's wait for it to load up. So as you can see right now, as you can see, successful. All right, so it just confirmed that I just get my MTN number. So I'll head over to my phone to see if these have already landed on my phone. So on the same route, as you can see right now, our MTN data has just arrived. Right, as you can see, you have received 500 MB data from Susu number. All right, so let's click on it and let's just view it. Right, okay, and it will expire on this date, and kindly dial star 212 something to check balance. Right, so this is the number. As you can see, this was the first one I received from Glue right here. This one you are seeing right here, and this was the one I received from MTN on the same phone. Right, so let's go back. Now, how do you make money from this? Now, this is the question that will be popping in your mind right now. So right now, I'll be showing you how you can make money from this. I've prepared a worksheet showing you step by step on how you can make money from the data market. Now, data is a very huge market and you can make a lot of money from it. It's a business that is very scalable. That means you can make an average of 5K. You can make even more every single day just doing this very data business. Now, in this very session right now, I break down all the ways on how you can make money from it. Now, if you follow this simple step I'm going to be showing to you right now, believe me, you after watching this video, you can start making 5K every single day just by selling this data. Right now, just follow me through right now as I show you how you can make money. So guys, now how can you make money from the data business? Now, what I'm going to be sharing with you right now is a very simple worksheet and a very simple framework that is going to be making you 5K every single day if you follow every instructions I'm going to be sharing with you right here. And you can even make more than 5K if you follow all the things I'm going to be sharing with you right now. Right, I've shared this before for one of my students, and this person used this method to make even more than that 5K every single day. Now, this business is very scalable. That means you can even make more than 10K every day, right? After following this very worksheet, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5K daily worksheet and the 5K daily blueprint that is proven to work if you follow every instructions I'm going to be sharing with you. Now, the first thing you have to do is to look out for creators like me who consume data every single day. Now, there are also consumers out there who consume content, right? They are either creators and they are consumers, because if you are using a smartphone, definitely you use data. Now, a smartphone without data is less of a use. Now, the next thing you have to do is to design a flyer. Now, you can brand your business. It's very simple. You can go to Chrome and just download some designs from there, or you can even just go to Canva. Canva is a free design app. You can design anything from. You can just put some things together, use a template, and design your brand name. And you can just give yourself a brand name. That way, you are presenting yourself as a business and you are building trust with your customers, right? Now, the next thing you have to do is to utilize your WhatsApp audience and your WhatsApp list. Now, everybody on your WhatsApp are using data. Every single person on your data are using data. Now, you can use your status as a very key point to observe what you are doing. Now, WhatsApp status is very important. You have to understand WhatsApp marketing, right? Now, your WhatsApp status is a key point to advertise and tell your audience what you are into. My first data vendor I met was through WhatsApp, and it was through WhatsApp TV. WhatsApp is very key because your WhatsApp audience know you and they trust you. Now, you can also utilize on your social media list, right? We have your Facebook list, your Instagram list. These are people out there, all right? People are out there. They are out there. Bunch of people out there. Bunch of creators are there, bunch of consumers are there. These people are consuming data every single day, so they need people like you to save them from this huge money they are pumping on data. So the next thing you have to do is you can run a WhatsApp ad. This is where you will start making money. At this point, you must have made some bucks and make some money from this data business, and you can invest it into running ads by reaching out to more wider audience out there. Now, the first data vendor I met was through WhatsApp TV, right? And ever since then, I've been buying data from this very person, right? So you can run WhatsApp TV. This is if you have made some money from it. So if you are starting out, just utilize on your WhatsApp audience and utilize on people around you, right? But if you have made some money from this, you can run some TV ads. It won't cost you a lot, right? 2K, 3K, you can run in ads and you can reach out to more people out there. Right now, the next thing you can do is to utilize on platform like Medium and Era Workers. Now, Medium and Era Workers are platform that has a very large traffic, and you can utilize on this platform by creating simple content on this platform, and by that way, you are using that to upsell your product. And you can just create simple content from ChatGPT, right? I've used Nera Workers a lot. If you can see right now, this is my account and this is my profile. This is my content I've posted on this platform, and I've used this platform to generate a lot of traffic to my WhatsApp DM, right? Anytime I want to say anything, I just go there, I just create simple content on whatever I want to sell. So the next thing you can do is to also run offers, right? Now this time around, I believe you must have gathered some customers. You can tell them that, okay, if you buy 2 gig of data, I will give you 500 MB for free. If you buy 10 gig of data, I will give you 1 gig for free. So that way you are prompting them, and you haven't prompted them to even buy more, right? And remember, Nigerians, we love what we love offers, we love our wolf, we love bonuses, right? Now telling someone to buy 10 gig of data and you give them 1 gig for free. If that person is buying 8 gig, you will want to buy 10 gigs so that you can have that 1 gig for free. That way you are making more money upselling your business, right? So if you follow these very instructions right now, you can at least start making good money from the data business, right? It's not hard. Just go through this video again and follow this simple step I shared with you, and you can make this money from this data business. Now, if you don't want to even start selling this data, right, you can even do it for yourself. If you don't want to start make it as a business, you can just be buying data for yourself, buying airtime for yourself, buying NEPA bill and all those electricity bill for yourself, and save yourself a tons of money, right? This way you are cutting down, like you are saving yourself almost 50% of the actual price you are using before, right? That means if you don't want to just use this as a business, or you don't want to sell it to other people, you can use it for yourself, and you can also save yourself a ton of money. I believe this was valuable to you. It's very important you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more of these amazing videos, because I'm going to be dropping videos like this every single week. Now, I believe you find this content valuable and very informative. Now, if you find this content valuable and informative, I will encourage you right now to just smash that like button. All right, that's the way of telling me thank you for this video, and at least telling you too that this is a very good video, and appreciating me for all the effort I put in this video to bring this content to your way, right? So smash that like button, and you can as well share this video to your friends out there who are looking for means to make an extra income online, right? And if you have not subscribed to the family, go down there right now and click on that subscribe button and join our amazing tribe of subscribers. And if you have any suggestion, you have any comment, or you have anything at all to communicate to me, make sure you pass them in the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to all your comments. You can as well join my Telegram community by clicking on the first link you're going to be seeing down in the description. Right now, with that said, I have a video right here showing you different ways you can make money using the internet. So with that said, I'll see you right here. Bye for now.